Hi, we have Ms. Namita Srivastav with us. Please introduce yourself and the organization that you represent today.
For sure. Hi everyone, I'm Namita Shrivastava. I'm currently in the role of Head of Marketing for Bella Vita Perfumes, a role I'm very proud of right now.
That sounds wonderful. So, you're an awardee here at the Fuel 2.0 conference being held in Dubai. So, what does it feel like you're receiving the recognition for all your accomplishments?
To be honest, I'm humbled, I'm honored, and as the Gen Zs call it, I'm slaying in my era. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to be
Yeah,
here.
you're goated at this point. That's honestly
Thank you.
insane.
Thank
It's
you.
cool that people who are in marketing are always so up to date with the trends and they have like cool lingo. Like,
Do
love
we have
that.
a choice?
Love that, honestly.
Thank
So
you.
tell us how you find the Fuel 2.0 conference. How is the networking? How's the learning?
Oh, it's immense. So that's one thing that I have been observing, and this has been happening year on year. And you
Yeah.
come up with these new initiatives where you connect the like-minded individuals, you explore. And today I'm noticing you have something for the business leadership. You have
Yes.
CXO, you have healthcare, education, and of course, marketing has gone a notch higher with the
Yeah.
fueled. You've got digital AI and all these sessions that I've been listening to, and I'm like, this is the place I want to be.
In your learning era?
For sure, in my learning era. I mean, come
So
on.
we hope you
AI
enjoy.
can't beat that, or rather, I have to beat AI to do this.
Yeah, interesting that you bring up AI. Do you think AI, like I know AI is impacting IT, marketing,
Yes.
marketing not really, but I think like in all other fields.
No,
Add
no,
a
it
little
is
light.
impacting marketing.
Yeah, add a little light to that since you're an expert in your field. So tell us how it's impacting
First,
marketing.
I'm no expert. I'm just very humble to be here as one of the recognitions that I'm receiving. But
Humble era.
humble in my era. But AI has been impacting it everywhere, and it's a good impact. It's a little bit misunderstood at the moment, where you feel that AI is taking over all the jobs and everything in the world. It depends on how you are actually inculcating it in your own field.
Field,
So
yeah.
for the field of marketing, we are accepting AI on a daily basis. If I talk to my designer, he's using all these beautiful tools. The designs wouldn't be complete without him. So AI is helping him achieve much more than we could have thought we can achieve. So it's a balance that we need to work on, but also it has opened a world of possibilities for all of us.
So
Whether
you're
it's designing, it's digital marketing, it's even understanding a consumer trend. You can't function without AI,
without
and AI, just to clarify, cannot function without us.
That's quite insightful because you're saying AI has had positive impacts in the marketing industry.
Yes. So your chat GPT can only give you a certain answer, but that
Answer,
answer
yeah.
is a common answer across Google.
Google, yeah.
What makes it give you a better answer is how much experience you have in marketing and how you are up to date with the trends, how you alter it to your brand, your consumer needs, and most importantly, the story that your brand wants to tell.
Wonderful. That's honestly exceptional. I like how you're so engrossed with Gen Z lingo and everything, and you're so up to date.
Of course.
Do you have any advice for a Gen Z that's watching you? Any inspiration?
Do you think Gen Zs want to listen to advice right now? I think we are in a phase where need to listen to them as consumers, and what I've understood with the whole trend setting that has come with Gen Zs and even millennials right now is they're very watchful. They're
Yeah.
loyal if you give them a reason to be loyal. So you gotta follow them, you gotta understand them. Don't push yourself on them because that's never gonna work. And now with my little 3-year-old, I think I'm beginning
Aw.
to work on the Gen Alpha. So maybe the next time you ask me, I'll be working on that as well.
So you'll have a whole different output from this question.
Absolutely, absolutely.
It's the phases of life. Honestly, you're an exceptional person. Thank you for being here with us.
Thank you.
I'm sure people want to reach out to you, collaborate with you. Where can they reach
Absolutely.
you?
You can reach out to me on my LinkedIn profile, Namita Shrivastava. Be there, and post that we can take it forward any way they want.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Samantha.
Thank you for your
Congratulations
time.
again on your achievements. We hope you excel in this marketing journey.
Thank you. Fingers crossed.